Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Luigi. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start near the bottom and let's draw a circle for the nose. Now on top, let's draw the eyes. On the top left, let's draw a large curve up and down, and the same on the right side. And then from the bottom, let's curve it back in. Now top and side, and let's draw a curve up and bring it in on the inside corners. And then let's hop in and let's draw an oval. And then another one inside at the top. And color the rest of the pupils in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop underneath and draw the mustache. From the sides of the nose, let's draw a curve up. And then underneath, let's curve it down and up, meeting under the nose in the center. Now that we're done the mustache, let's hop out and draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a line down, and the same on the right side. Now let's curve it out slightly for the cheeks. And then let's bring it down to the bottom for the chin. Now top back up, and we're going to add the brim of the hat by drawing a large curve across the top, extending it out past each side. And then from the ends, let's angle it back down and in for the sideburns. Now to continue the brim of the hat, let's draw a small bump up on each side. And then a curve across the top. Now that we have the brim of the hat, let's hop in and let's draw the eyebrows. On top of each eye, let's add a curve. And then another curve up on top. And then color these both in black. Now before we continue the hat, let's hop out and draw the ears. Let's draw a curve out and bring it down underneath on each side. Then inside each ear, let's add a curve down near the top, and a bump at the bottom. And that's it for the ears. Now let's finish off the hat. Let's start on top of the ears and let's draw two curves up. And then connect it with a large curve across the top. Now let's hop in and let's draw an oval in the center near the bottom. And then inside, let's draw the letter L. Let's start with a small line on the top left. And then on each side, let's bring it down and over. And then close off the end. And that's it for Luigi. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me. And please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!